Yo, yo, I am back, YouTube. YouTube, we are streaming live for the London session. I just want to make sure we up and live. The London session. Yeah, we live. All right, so reason I'm a little late, I'm probably like 15 minutes late, is because I was deep in my word reading um, the Bible this morning. And, I kind of want to start, starting off with a scripture or two a day. And the scripture that I'm starting off with is in all you're getting, get wisdom and understanding. And then also another verse is the beginning of wisdom starts with the fear of God. And so we have to understand that the source of wisdom is from God. And once we know that and we fear God, He blesses us with the discernment, the decision making, and the know how, whether it's how to do trading, whether it's how to navigate life, whether it's just, the everyday things in life. So, I just want to start off with that. And all you're getting, get wisdom and understanding. And the beginning of wisdom starts with the fear of God. So, yeah, hopefully that reaches someone. But let's get it, man. It's gonna be a great session. I'm claiming it. Someone. I'm claiming it. Let's go. Let's go. So let's get it. But yeah. So like I said last session, I was thinking about buying those prop firms because I had a live account. I just did not feel like buying that account and funding that account. Just because I'm tired of putting money in it, but I went ahead and funded that account, and I think that I buy another account. No, I think I just funded that account. I will buy another account though. This week, I'm gonna buy another account this week with TopX, and I'm gonna buy an account with TopX, and I'm gonna probably buy Swaggy C's primetime funding, just to kind of test that out. I think, yeah, so this is his Swaggy C's primetime funding. This is for when I'm trading, like when I'm not seeing anything in my futures and I'm trading my forex pairs. This could be something that I kind of dabble into because I still think that all the markets correlate with one another. So my stock options, my futures, my trading stocks account, my forex account, they all move along with each other. As the dollar decreases, other values go up, and as the dollar increases, more people, it's just all plays a part. So that's what I am looking at. But yeah, this is his account. So you got 10,000, 25, 50,000. Sorry guys, 100, 250, and so forth, so forth. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and dive into these charts. We'll come back and look at that. Right now, market is showing some consolidation, and that could be because of the news that we will have today. Today is going to be a very impactful day because we have the Fed interest rate and FOMC, and that usually causes the market. Even I've blown so many accounts, even in the beginning, before like in New York session, before they even give that information, man, the market is all over the place. So one thing that we have to be careful of today is it's okay not to trade today. It's okay, and I'm talking about going into going into New York session, pre-New York, and just seeing that it's okay not to trade because the market is going to be all over the place. But I do believe that once the market, once the news is released, and after today, we will get a direction of where the market conditions are going, whether it's going to continue whether it's going to continue, or market is going to continue down, and just down, or if market is going to give us a true direction and kind of pop up and continue higher. Like, we're going to get a true direction. And the next time we will get FOMC will be in May so this is really going to give us the direction that we need, and trying to figure out where we will be in the market, because the last couple of weeks have been kind of been crazy, because it's kind of like you see this week we're already starting off with a big push to the top, this doji consolidation weird candle, but it'll feel itself as the week goes by, and after today I'm thinking price is going to continue down and feel this week. That's what I'm looking at, because we can look at it on the daily and see price really just came in, it just impulse, and then it corrected just a little bit, retesting this, hasn't broke through this really. It broke through it a little bit, maybe didn't even reach 20,100. So I'm thinking price is just gonna retest like how it did, just like anything else, a retest, and then just come down here. I don't think we're done with our bearish market, not until we get here. But then again, I could be wrong. This could be the bottom, but we can't predict though. We can't predict. We gotta make sure that everything is aligning, and we are not guessing, and we're not trying to assume what the market's going to do. We can't do that. And then like right here, I'm trying to see, it's just iffy. We had this consolidation. We had this impulse, a retracement into this area here where we had this last bounce. So, from looking at this, the best probability after this impulse retracement consolidation is to impulse again higher. But then on the higher time frame, I'm looking at something on the daily and the weekly. I'm looking at something totally different. I'm seeing price wants to retest here and push down lower, and then on a weekly, I want price to feel this wick. I want price to feel that wick right there. I want price to at least come down into this wick and feel that wick before, and then create like maybe a tweezer bottom or something like that before shooting up. But like I said, we can only wait and see, how price is looking. Right now, we kind of are stuck in between this range here. Coming from New York session, we had that big drop to the downside after pushing a little higher. What's the man? My days are confused. Okay, so going to London session, we had that kind of push higher, and then that kind of rejection to the highs, creating that kind of, I don't know what they call SMT or whatever, and then that break of that neckline here to the drop to the downside. So after that big drop to the downside, we had an impulse to the downside, and now prices in just the area of consolidation. We got an impulse consolidation, and so now we're just trying to see where price is gonna go. We're gonna see if we can kind of catch a play on here. Just a quick little play on our live account. We'll take a look at our live account and see if we could find a play or take a play and see something that will allow us to get a good opportunity. So let me take a look back at here. This is on the hour. We have this high, this low. We have this high and this low here. And you see, because this price action is kind of weird. And then it's wicking at this area here. But I'm pretty sure if I look at all of the pairs, stocks, indices, everything is kind of consolidating right now. I'm not getting any big movements or anything like that. Looking at this, let's look at this. Pretty much similar. Gold. Oh, gold is giving us a nice push. Let's look at gold. Oh yeah, gold is breaking that low here. Because I'm not really seeing anything on NASDAQ just yet. Taking it on the 15, taking it on the 5. We're just in an area. We could possibly come back here. To buy it up. We could possibly come back here to buy it up. Might see something like here to here. So one thing I want to do is make sure that I am patient today, that I'm not just getting in on certain trades. So if we can get some kind of confirmation, let's take a look at another lower time frame. So we're getting some kind of rejection here. Let's just be patient and wait. Because right now price is at 718. And I kind of want to see price go back up to the 40s. So we need to see if price can close down in here. Give us some kind of confirmation that price wants to push back up higher. Let's see how this two-minute candle closes. It's closing here. Boom. All right, price is pushing a little bit lower. So if I would have got in here thinking that price is rejecting, then I'll be down a couple $100 right now. So one thing I'm trying to be is patient. Okay, price is taking my alert. So if we can stay above, I think the next level will be the 700s. I'll even look at the 15, like the 1 minute. This could be a nice play. Not gonna lie. But I kind of thought about that rejection play too. Didn't take that. Hey, but yesterday I took this same play, right? And it did something like this. I wanted to see price break down in here, retest, and come here. It did that, didn't take profit, and kind of bit myself on that one. Okay, price is pushing up. Let's see. I want price to close above. I want price to close above that candle. So we might still get a fill of the week and then a drop, but I want price to close above this candle. That's a big candle. I need to wait for this closure though. I want to wait for this closure. We'll get closure above here, and which we will. We'll take a buy.
Order filled.
All right. Our goal is $300 to $600. So we got that. I want to see price push up, fill this week. But if we get that push down, that's fine too. But I think price wants to push it up after this close above and push higher. Let's see. Where we at? 300. If I see 300, I'm taking it. Running away with, well, this is a larger account, so let's go to the 1 minute. See how price. So what I'm gonna do is see how this candle moves. All right, we're above this. Let's see where we push to. Reaching a key area here. Okay. Might close this. Because I want to see price gonna take this out. All right. So we are going to sell stop 2. I am gonna take 1 off. Okay,
Stop filled.
388. Got 388 off of that trade, which was a good trade. Guys. And it's gonna continue to push higher. Filling that wick, but as you can see here, we had this resistance that I'm looking at. If it breaks through that resistance, retest is coming back up to this area here, which is trying to break through. I say that's a good trade. Oh, it's looking like it wants to. We get a break out of here. I might take another one. I'm gonna take a little small one.
Order filled.
Just because we got this break out of here, though. Get this break out of here. I want to see price keep going higher. Even here. Even here. We can see this. Let's push. Let's see how price breaks through that. Yep. If I make another 100 off of this, I think I might take profit right now. Just because, but I can see price coming here. There we go. We out.
Order filled.
We out. 524 today. So 520. So now that we have, make sure, because I'll be messing up. Now we get that weak fill. But I do believe price is probably going to go up here. But you can see here on the 5 minute, we do have a double top right here. So let's take a look at it on. Yep, and it's rejecting that double top. So right here. That's why I went ahead and got out of that, because I saw that double top right here forming. Not saying that it might go a little bit higher and keep going, but I seen this double top here. That double top here, man, I've been getting screwed by these double tops. So when I see profit, I take profit. That was one of the things I wrote down in my journal yesterday when I was trading, completing my trades or going over my trades for the day was, man, if I see profit, I gotta take that profit. And so this was a nice grab. We had price. Let's take a look at it on the 15-minute so we can see. We had price pushing into this area here. Some of you guys might call this I don't know. I just, after looking at the charts for so much and seeing that price, once price hits an area like this where it has been consolidating and trying as hard as not to break through, I can see that price might reject from that area. And so I seen that and I was like, okay, let's take a look and see what price is going to do. Price ended up getting to that area and then rejecting. But because we had a consolidation, an impulse down, this doji right here on the 15-minute is a consolidation, is what I consider, and then a retracement. And so now I feel as though that we will get an impulse down. Matter of fact, I want to get into a sell on NAS, but this is going to be a tight sell, and I will get out before 7 o'clock. It's 4:13 now. So that's 100 on the 15, and come on. See, this is a little different. I kind of want to get into a sell. I just want to sell one right here. Man, I cannot wait to make some profit to get a new computer. So I want to kind of get into a sell right here too. Where's my TP? I want to put my TP here. That'll be like $23. I'll put my TP there. And then I'm just going to let this one ride. I'll put a stop loss. How much would that be? I hate putting stop losses on channels like this because, man, I still think that they kind of just go and shoot for a stop loss. That'll be 30. I don't like that risk to reward though. Don't like it. And why will it bounce off of here? I'm gonna stick to what I said originally. I don't see why it will. Well, we have a little area, like a line right here. Yeah, I need to make this thin. So we have like a little line or area that it could possibly shoot from and push higher. But I want my TP to be right there above this candle. How much is that? That's better. 12 to 23. I'll take that. That's almost a 1-to-2 ratio. I can take that one. I don't want to put it though. I'll set an alert though. What level is that? I'll set an alert. I'm not putting the TP though. I mean, stop loss. Just because, yeah, I'm a little iffy a little iffy about these stop loss. All right, let's see. Let's put an alert. This is on 15, yeah. And this is NAS. Let's put an alert above here, above that previous wick. If it goes above that previous wick, okay. So, let's take a look at the 5. Let's put one here. Don't want to get out just yet. And then, so this is why it's rejecting. That box that I drew earlier, yeah. So that's why it's rejecting. Filled it a little bit more. Boom. Might see something like this. Then the shoot down. So if it shoots through my alert again, or if it breaks through this low here, I'll take profit, get up out of there. And it's shooting through my alert. Let me get out. Is it gonna go? Let's see. -$3, $8, $5, $6. Let's take a look. Could we get a break of this neck right here? If we get a break here, yeah, we're gonna drop hard. But if we don't, that's perfectly fine too. Oh, did it break through? Yeah, it broke through. What's the push? No wicks on the bodies, nothing. Did the same thing yesterday. Rejection. I wanted it to push up, didn't push up. So now it's inverted. Rejections. I wanted to push down. It's not gonna push down. It's gonna push up. So if I can get any kind of profit off of this, I'll take it and then come back and reevaluate, because don't want to lose any money on this. I'm tired of losing money. I'm tired, Grandpa. Well, it's just too damn bad. Yeah, let's get up out of here. Yo, how do I discard? Yo, that's the only thing, yeah. And then, come on, close. All right, cool. Yeah, so now it's gonna look like it's wanna push down. Ain't it so? Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. I'm on 1 minute. Let me get about this 1 minute. Let's see what this looking like. I really like the 2 minute time. 2 minutes. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. What if that's just too damn bad? I'll be okay losing. I'll be okay with losing that $13 a day. Meaning 14.32. But can I do two? No, don't have enough for two. I'll get enough for two though. Mm. I don't know. I don't want to just keep hopping the trades though. Give me something good. Things are gonna bounce for this week though. Which just look like it's bouncing. If you give me something to 19.514. Let's see if I set a pending here or a stop loss here. Oh, I like that. Or a TP here. That'll be dope. That'll be dope if I can get that. If I could get that. If I can get that. And you know, it's not gonna let you get what you want. It's not gonna let you get what you want. But we getting this break. We're getting this break. I don't know why I'm feeling this one. After that break of the trend. Take this off. But I am gonna keep this here. So we gotta be careful right here with this resistance here. Might get a retest, but that's fine. I am shooting for these fill little wicks. So we might come all the way over here to the. Let's take a look. Honestly, might come all the way up to here. Let's look at the 15 minute. But that 15 minutes showed me something that I'm curious about. The 15 minutes showing me here. I want that. But will I get that? I don't know. All we can do is manage. Take these wicks out. My original TP was somewhere around here. We take these wicks out. Bro, I'm locked in right now, twin. I'm locked in. So that was my original TP. See profit, take profit. See profit, take profit. See profit, take profit. Do we see profit, take profit? This is just a beautiful setup. If it breaks above this level here, we good. See profit, take profit. Get this big bullish candle. Reversal pattern. Damn, in 15 minutes in the close too, though. I might see profit, take profit. Yeah, see profit, take profit. Or at least trail that bit. Let's see what it does. Does it keep going? Oh, we're gonna see 14. See profit, take profit. I always live to fight another day. See profit, take profit. That's still like 10% on that trade. It's still like 10% on that trade. Boom, not looking at it no more. Just gonna wait. Let's see how price reacts in a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we can go look at another pair. We just set our alerts and see if price gonna go here. We're gonna set an alert here. And we're gonna set an alert here. And we rock and roll on all of that. Let's go. Damn, see profit, take profit too early. See profit, take profit too early. See profit, take profit too early. We got this double top, boom. If we get this drop down to the double top, we're tanking underneath 700. So in the next 5, so I want to see the price go. I want a quicker alert, because if we get a quicker alert, getting into a sell to the downside. Because right now we have this double top, and I said the first double top or the first double bottom. That's what usually goes. So yeah. Let's look at. Oh shit! See profit, take profit too early. See profit, take profit too early. It's pushing. Break the. If it closes above this high, then it's gonna continue to go higher. But that 5-minute closes above this, it's gonna go higher. It's gonna continue higher. see profit, take profit too early. That's what happened. But you really can't think like that because boom, boom. Break. So if it retests here, possibly. Could we go long off of this retest here? No. No, we can't. No, we can't. We got another key level right here. See how price reacts around this key level. All right. So until my alerts get hit, let's take a look at G. Well, let's look at some. Let's take a look at GU. How is GU acting? Yeah, man. So I didn't trade at all in my New York session. I still just have the same trades that I had yesterday. I mean, the day before yesterday on Monday. Let's just take a look and see. All right. My alert just hit. Let's see what happened. NQ. Oh, it struck it a little bit. Man, I think it's gonna tank. I feel like it's gonna go here. But I really want to get into a sale. I might get into a sale. Because I feel like it's gonna tank, bro. Just reach this area here. Nah. I get into a sale once it reaches this area. Yeah, I get into a sale once it reaches this area. But it has so much room to fill. So much room to fill. So we really can see price just keep going higher on there. Man, okay. Nas, I'm done with you, bro. Because if I would have held this any other time, I would have got completely. Oh man, I would have got messed up here. It would have tanked. It would have did all that. But the moment I don't hold, you want to go here and to my TP. So, Naz, I'm done with you, bro. We fighting. We fight right now. Can't do it. If it goes here, I do want to catch up on the sale though, because I do believe it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. So just all of a matter of time when will it fall? Because if we print, well, this new 5 o'clock just started. So if I get a doji with a full body candle going to the downside, yeah, I'm taking it all day, every day. I'm taking it. All right. Let's look at GU. Yo, it is so windy outside. Look at this mess here, bro. Like, look at this mess. I really want to remove all of this. Look at this mess. Like, what is price doing here? I know we've been going up. Yo, this is BS. Yo, this is a lot of just. I mean, of course, you still have your levels though. Like, it's a level here. Retest. You're still making your highs, higher low, higher high, double bottom here, and it's gone. It's gone. Forget you, GU. Forget you, GU. Not GU. Forget you, NAS. Forget you, NAS. And then we got yeah, so still making a high, lower high. I mean a high, higher high. I mean higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Double bottom here with the resistance. So what happened when they hit this double bottom here? Yeah, this at first, kind of like what it is doing now. Boom. And we had a drop. So I want to see price. Price. Once again, price reaction at that level there. We need to see what price is going to do at that level. Yeah, this is a no trade at all for me. We got a double bottom form on 1 hour, 15 minute. We looking like it's consolidating. Got an impulse to the bottom consolidation. Might push higher. And it's a kilo over here. We can stretch this out. Sorry guys, I am just waking up. All right, there we go. Just getting it done. We could see price come back up here. Go top on here. We'll take out these highs. We can see price coming and take out these highs like it did yesterday. And then boom. Let's get those highs. Retrace. Double bottom on this consolidation here. You can either go like that and go higher, or price can yeah, wouldn't it be love if price moved in this action like all the time? You got these lows, retest them lows, lows, retest them lows. Yeah, that'd be so dope. But price low key does move like that, but it's more messy than anything. You know, I'm just, trying to find a pair that moves Oh snap, we getting a push high. We're getting that push higher. So we got over here, we have over here, next level. We have over here. So now when we go here, if you were wanting to take this buy, we'll take this buy to the upside here. Push it to this next level here. Because if the dollar weakens, then no, this is GBP, JPY. Okay. Here, if the dollar weakens against the British pound, then we could see some kind of push to this upside because it'll increase the British pound against the U.S. dollar. If it strengthens, then yeah, you know the deal. So let's look at the DXY. Yeah, I can see it weakening like a mug. I can just look at this and tell that we reach these resistance here. Every time that we reach these resistance, reject, resistance, reject, resistance, and reject. So I got my money that GU gonna rise today. So how can we put ourselves in the best situation? So any pair that USD has against it, it's gonna rise. And any USD pair that has another pair against it is gonna fall. So if we look at USD CAD, I guarantee you it's a pattern on here showing it wants to fall. So impulse to downside. We'll just retrace. Took out liquidity, pushed up, retraced it to the fair value gap. Retraced into the fair value gap and push higher. Now we've retraced into this fair value gap. Consolidating right now, wants to push lower, rejecting, and then now we have a wick that we have to fill. And I think we'll fill that wick. We're gonna feel that wick, those wicks, and I think it's gonna all happen today. And we're gonna get that bow. I think all of that's gonna happen today. So, right in my handy dandy notebook. But I do believe the USD, the DXY is gonna weaken, and we're gonna get some kind of rejection. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. We're gonna get some kind of rejection here, just to kind of go over what I've done this morning in London session. Just to kind of recap, I took this buy on NQ. Saw that price was getting into this area here. So I'm calling it the order block. I just know this pattern just by looking and back testing. Caught this area here, bought from this area, saw on the 2 minute the momentum counter trend, pushed through that, and got in for a buy. Also got in for a sell as well. So that was a good one. I ended up catching this buy as well on my live account, and I'm up $520 so far in London session. So just trying to see where price is gonna go next. Looking at some plays, just kind of trying to figure out what FOMC is gonna present to us going forward today. As we can see, we are it's looking like price wants to resist here at this area. Let's take a look. We might get it for some sales. Showing that double top here. Let's take, yeah. If price can't hold above that 50 area, that 750 area, and breaks below back into the 40s, I'll look into sell to take out this low and this low. What is price doing on the 15 minute? Yeah. Oh no, we need to still come fill this week. No, we filled it. Yeah. That double top though. The double top is what's getting me. I can see price shooting down. Let's take a look. I might get into a play if it closes below this. Yeah. I'm not gonna look at it until it closes below that. Boom. But we got that consolidation starting to take place. So one thing about the market moves in different patterns, and it's only 3 patterns that it moves in. You have an impulse, a retracement, and consolidation. Those are the 3 things that it's gonna move in the 3 ways that the market moves. So we have this impulse, we have a retracement, then we have another impulse, retracement, and you would consider this an impulse, retracement, impulse. But if you look at the higher time frame, you can see where price kind of shows that, you know, we have a, we have a impulse to the downside, semi-retracement, consolidation. Right now we're in the middle of the consolidation. So that's why I believe price is going to go here to the 800 area. And then depending on how we break out of this consolidation, which I understand why we're in consolidation because of FOMC. FOMC is just it's really gonna give us the true direction of where we're gonna go today, and where the market conditions are gonna go. Because we take a look at the higher time frame, we see that, you know, there's multiple areas that we can go. On a weekly, we can come back and fill this wick here. On a weekly, we can push down and fill this wick here, and just continue our downtrend, filling this wick, taking these lows. But this is the key, or just coming to this area, consolidating before we actually bottom. That's one scenario. But just like how you have another one, yeah, it's gone. It's going up. NASDAQ is going up. Just like we have another scenario, I can see price for when FOMC comes out, taking these sellers out. So getting the sellers into the play, going down, wicking within that same, maybe the 15 or the 30-minute candle, and then shooting straight up to this level here, and maybe even, shooting up to that level there. Because FOMC is really going to move the market today. It's going to really, because these last couple of weeks we've been building up. And just like when I say, when we consolidate and we build up and we build up and we build up, eventually that weight is going to break out and break on either side. So you just got to kind of wait and see. And then on the daily, we kind of see this long impulse consolidation, retracement. We got a retracement going on. So that's why I'm saying we have here impulse, retracement, impulse. It's kind of lining up that it wants to go down. It's kind of lining up that it wants to go down. And then on the 4 hour just gives, I love the 4 hour because it just gives perfect, insight on what exactly is going on. If you can follow it with the overall trend. So we got an impulse, semi-retracement, impulse, consolidation, retracement, consolidation right now. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at with NASDAQ. So eventually hit that TP that I originally had set. So now that it filled this wick, we gotta wait and see how price wants to react at this level. Does price want to continue to push up, retest, and just take out that? Or does price want to just drop after this double top? So I got my alert set. I'm not gonna look at it because I know if I look at it too hard, I'm gonna take a stupid trade. So we're just gonna set the alerts and keep it moving. But I do want to look at gold though, because gold is doing something. It is doing something. It has dropped in London session where I could have made some bread, targeting these lows off this double top S&T pattern thing. I think that's what they call. I just see the same pattern when it makes this lower high, then show some kind of sign of making another lower high here. You could have got in off their retest. And then off their retest, off this break here, boom. If you want to have a tight stop loss, you can put it here. If you want even more room, you put it here. Targeting these lows here, 1-to-3 ratio. That was a great trade right there. What time did that trade happen? 2:30. So that means I just got to get up a little bit earlier because it is 4:50. I got up at 3. So that trade happened at 2:30. Yeah, I wasn't catching that one, man. I wasn't catching that one because, man, I still got to go to work today. All right. Let's look at the higher time frame. See what gold is looking like. It's just been impulsing. I can see gold probably, if the dollar weakens, then gold's just going to continue to shoot up. And I do believe that the dollar will weaken. Hold on. Yeah, because I can see that we're reaching this resistance on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour. We did get this wick here, so this is what I'm talking about. I feel as though that we might get that wick to the top. You know what I said about NASDAQ, where you gets those sellers in within the first 15 minutes, and then just shoots up, or vice versa. I feel as though we're going to feel this wick here at some point. Going to New York session, I'm not trading New York session at all, just because I feel like every time when FOMC or any big rate decision or anything comes out, that's usually when I blow accounts, and price is just all over the place. Price usually just has no true direction. It's very sporadic, and it's just spiking left and right. So I'm not trading any futures during that time. I will just be trading my options though. Well, I might not even do that because the price is not going to have, I think after this London session, the only time that I would trade is either Asian session, late New York session, or just tomorrow. Yeah, because I made my money for today. I made my 520, but it's going to continue. As you see here, I bought this here, sold at the top, bought it again, and this is really, it's just really just going higher and higher. This would have been a nice play to catch that, just to catch that move up. Yeah. So I'm gonna go over. I got gold. Because on 1 hour, gold has dropped. Check out that liquidity here. And then, of course, we have a high here. I'm really trying to see what gold wants to do. Oh, it's setting up for that. It's setting up for that high because as the dollar weakens, that's what it's doing. Because I feel as though that the dollar is gonna weaken going into FOMC in the news, and it's just gonna drop. So this is what this is setting up for. It's setting up for that semi drop here and then shooting up. But it just took out that liquidity, so we might get a little push going to New York session, but I guarantee you we'll have a lot of we'll have stuff like this. Then we get the drop, then we got the pop. That's why I'm not trading that session. GU, not touching it. I want to see GU go to these highs here. I'll set an alert. And I'll set, yeah. But it just did a double bottom here, but it also did a double top. So we could see price go a little bit lower. Filling these wicks here. So we could see something like here. So filling these wicks. Filling these wicks here. And then just kind of playing it by ear at this point. Got some areas here. Boom. So, yeah. So right now the market is just kind of going to be slow. Not that much volume in the market. I'm going to check on NQ real quick, and then I'm going to get ready to go work out. NQ has pushed up. Bro, if I would have held that trade, I'd have been good. But the crazy thing is, yesterday when I did hold the trade, I lost all my money. But today, when I don't hold the trade, it goes exactly where I expect price to go, which is here to the 800 area. Hey, yeah, that sucks. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So you gotta trust your you just gotta trust your strategy. That's it. So all right, well, I am done for the day. I'm gonna go work out, and then I'll look back at the markets before New York session, and I'll drop a video on the plays that I take, or if I decide to take some in New York session. And yeah, get ready for work. I'll see you guys